If you're a contractor in the market for quality hand tools, then you'll be hard pressed to beat the offerings found in the ManMade range from Richard Carter Tools. The ManMade range is designed with the needs of the contractor and the builder in mind. Almost every tool in the range has an array of options allowing you to choose exactly the right tool for the job. Most importantly, the ManMade range has been developed over the years to be as durable as possible, ensuring that the tools work just as hard as you without letting you down. Within the ManMade range, you will find shovels, spades, forks, rakes, hammers, digging bars, and a few other niche products such as manhole keys and spazzles. If you're looking for something for your garden in the perennial range, we'll have what you need. We'll be covering these in a future video. Picking the right shovel should be easy, right? Turns out there are many options to choose from. Firstly, depending on your preference, all spades and forks can come in different handle styles. The key types of handles we offer across the range include the all-steel MYD with a tubular steel shaft and a wooden hand grip. These are among the most durable tools in the spade range. The Ash MYD, these feature a solid socket head, an ash shaft, a steel handle with a wooden grip. A wooden shaft can be much more comfortable to dig with during the winter as it acts as a shock absorber. The Ash T handle, for those who prefer an open T handle, then these are the tool for you. The Polyfibre YD, these handles are made entirely from fiberglass with a plastic coating making them hard wearing and ergonomic. However, this does not make them shockproof. The Shocksafe handles, however, those are similar to the Polyfibre YD handles, but designed for use around live power cables. We made a whole video about this shockingly exciting range of tools, which you can find linked below. Now, if you're digging post holes, there are also long-handled options available. Now let's look at the sharp end of these tools. Most people might think a spade's a spade, but for all the handle types, there is a choice of blade style, each with its own application, or in some cases, it's just a regional preference. One example is the number 2 taper mouth shovel, which is ideal for loading wheelbarrows or shoveling out trenches. At the other end of the scale, you've got something like the Newcastle drainer. It features a narrow curved blade, making it ideal for digging drainage channels. Now, before choosing your blade, you just need to consider what you're going to be doing more of, digging or shoveling. If you need something that works for both, you could try something like the number 2 round mouth spade. It features a wide blade with a pointy end for breaking soil. When you need to make an impact on site, the ManMade range of hammers and other striking tools is what you need. Some of the most common types include claw hammers. These are the go-to hammer for many applications, featuring a striking face and a claw at the rear for removing nails. Brick hammers. Chisel tip at the rear of this hammer allows you to cut bricks to size whilst bricklaying. The chisel is also often used to scrape off old mortar. Lump hammers, sometimes called club hammers. These heavyweight hammers can be used in conjunction with other tools such as bolster chisels. Sledgehammers, when you need something really heavy, these hammers come in weights of up to 14 kilos and mostly used to break up concrete and other structures. They can also be equally as useful in some heavy engineering applications. Mallets. Rubber mallets are indispensable when laying paving slabs, as you don't want to risk cracking or damaging your slabs. Digging bars. Digging bars make excavating post holes and trenches much easier, especially on those frosty mornings. These often feature either a point or a chisel end. Pickaxes and mattocks. Pickaxes and mattocks are a lifesaver if you need to dig around rocky soil or hardcore. Like the range of digging tools, you can choose the shaft and the handle style on many of the hammers. You can choose from a traditional hickory handle, economy hardwood handles, fiberglass handles. There's also a solid steel one-piece forge hammer. Now, the ManMade range also features rakes, scrapers, crowbars and jerry cans, all of which are guaranteed to withstand the toll that the construction industry puts on them. For more information on the extended range of Carter's ManMade tools, take a look at our website at startsafety.uk. Or give us a call on 01905 794 875. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our playlist where you can find all the videos about Richard Carter Tools, including short videos about every tool we stock here at Start Safety.